the second tower.
Pray for the ones who know more. We rejoice for the people who walk from the road. Sorry for the ones left alone. Did you burst out with pride for the red, white, and blue? The heroes who died just doing what they meant. Did you look up to heaven for some kind of answer? Look at yourself and what matters. Just a singer of simple songs. I'm not a real political man. I watch CNN, but I'm not sure I can tell you the difference in our rock and our rage. But I know Jesus and I talk to God, and I remember this from when I was young. Faith, hope, and love are some good things He gave us.
American Airlines Flight 77 crashed into the Pentagon.
Authorities at the Somerset County Airport confirm a large plane crash about 80 miles southeast of Pittsburgh.